these two are often considered as perfect black body. They approach 100%, not exactly 100%, approach 100%. That means their absorptive power approaches to unity. It is not exactly equal to. These are capable of observing wavelengths of visible region and near infrared region. But wavelengths which are associated with far infrared region are not observed by this lamp black and platinum black. So these are assumed to be perfect black body for practical purposes. Now, a black body, it is a perfect observer, and after reading Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation, we will see that a good observer is also a good radiator. For the time being, you remember it, we will prove it mathematically also. A good observer of radiation is also a good radiator. A good radiator. If it is able to observe 97% of the observed wavelength of the falling wavelength, then it is also able to radiate 97% of the wavelength. When it is hot, then it will radiate all of the wavelengths, and those same wavelengths will be observed when it is cold. When the concerned metal is cold, concerned substance is cold, concerned black body is in a state of coldness, it will observe all the radiations falling upon it, and those same radiations or those same wavelengths will be radiated when it is in hotness. Here we will discuss two black bodies, Ferris black body, and Wayne's black body. These are named after their इन्वेंटर. सो पहले फेरिस ब्लैक बॉडी के बारे में डिस्कशन करते हैं. फेरिस ब्लैक बॉडी, it consists of two concentric spherical surfaces here. This portion is evacuated. Between these two surfaces, the portion which is there is evacuated completely. Why it is evacuated? So that there would be no heat loss by conduction and convection. कंडक्शन और कन्वेक्शन प्रोसेस में हीट लॉस नहीं होना है. Then a small opening is provided here, a small opening through which wavelengths can enter, electromagnetic wave can enter through, and a small projection. The opening should be as small as possible. More the smallness of the opening, more is the approach of this Ferris black body to 97%, 98%. So now this becomes an enclosure. Now, one more thing I forgot to tell. The inside surface is lamp black, and the outside surface, this outside surface is nickel painted or nickel coated or nickel polished. It is coated with nickel or painted with nickel, and this inner side is lamp black, and there is a small projection inside, conical projection. This is a conical projection. So when radiation passes through this and fall on the conical projection, then 97% of its energy is absorbed by it, absorbed by the lamp black, and very small amount is reflected. Then again 97% of it is observed and rest is reflected. Then इसका 97% ऑब्जर्व हो जाता है, फिर ये रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है. ऐसे 97% ऑब्जर्व होते होते जब ये यहां से मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन जब होगा तो टोटल एनर्जी विल बी ऑब्जर्व, एंड this becomes a black body, and the whole becomes a perfect black body. It approaches a perfect black body. Remember, I am saying whole. This whole becomes a black body. If you see through this hole, this inner side, it will appear white hot. The radiation, and one more thing, this Ferris black body, to maintain its temperature, it is placed in a salt bath.